Now we are going to learn how to solve exercise 25. Solve each of the following expressions using order of operation or BEDMAS. Now let us understand what this means. When you are given a mathematical expression such as these, then you can see that there are multiple operations involved in each expression. For example, over here you can see that there is a multiplication, addition, and multiplication. Now the question arises as to which operation should you perform first? Yes or no? You might think that I will go from left to right. And your friend might think that he or she will go from right to left. Yes or no? And in both the cases, the answers will be different. If you want, you can perform the operation from left to right and then right to left and compare your answers. So, to avoid this kind of ambiguity, certain rules have been laid down. Okay, you have to follow certain rules when you have multiple operations involved. And what are those rules? Those rules are called BEDMAS. What is BEDMAS? BEDMAS stands for something. So let us understand that. B stands for brackets. E stands for exponents. D stands for division. M stands for multiplication. A stands for addition. And S stands for subtraction. Now, when you have this kind of expressions where multiple operations are involved, then you have to follow the sequence from top to bottom. Okay? Bracket, exponents, division, multiplication, addition, and subtraction. This is the sequence that you have to follow. Now pay attention. When we have multiple operations, the highest priority goes to brackets. Then the priority goes to exponents. But division and multiplication have the same priorities. Similarly, addition and subtraction have same priority. Now, what does that mean? It means when you have division and multiplication in the single expression, for example, 2 divided by 2 times 4, you can see that you have division and multiplication in the same expression. Yes or no? At that time, you have to solve from left to right. Okay? Similarly, when you have addition and subtraction in the same expression, such as 4 minus 2 plus 3, then again you have to solve this expression from left to right. So if I solve this, then I have 2 divided by 2. What is 2 divided by 2? 2 divided by 2 is 1. Right? So I have 1 times 4. And that is equal to 4. Similarly here, when we go from left to right, we have 4 minus 2. 4 minus 2 is 2. Plus 3. And 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. Got it? Now we are going to solve these 5 examples. And in this process, we will learn how to give priorities from brackets to the subtraction operations. Okay? So let us solve this first one. 2 plus 3 within the bracket times 4. Now we can see that there is a pair of brackets here. So as per BADMAS, we have to first solve the brackets. So what is there within the bracket? 2 plus 3. That would be 5. So I will first solve this and I'll write 5 times 4. That would be equal to 20. Got it? Now let us try this. Now you can see that there is a new expression over here which you might not have seen before. You have a bigger 2 and a smaller 2. And smaller 2 is on the top of the bigger 2. Yes or no? This expression is called power. Okay? So let me write that down. When you have this kind of expression, this expression is called the power. This bigger 2 is called the base. And this smaller 2 is called the exponent. Okay? So when you have this kind of expression, we consider that as exponent. Yes or no? And exponent has a second priority here. The first priority goes with the bracket, whereas the second priority goes with the exponent. Okay? So again, coming back to the same expression, we have a pair of brackets here and that has the first priority. So I will solve this first. 2 plus 3 is 5. So I will say 5 plus 2 squared. That is what it is called. Okay? 2 squared times 3. Now we have addition, multiplication and exponent. Yes or no? And as per the priority, now I have to solve exponent first. In the next exercise, you will learn that this is simplified to 4. So 2 squared is 4. Okay? So for now, you can just accept it. Okay? 2 squared is 4. So I'll write 5 plus 2 squared, that is 4, times 3. Now we have addition and multiplication. And as per the rule of BADMAS, the higher priority goes to multiplication. So I have to multiply first. So I'll say 5 plus 4 times 3, that is 12. And that is equal to 17. Now I want you to solve these 3 problems. Okay? And then show your answers to your teacher. And if they are all correct, then you can go ahead and solve all these problems and show your answers to your teacher.